School, Gandimaisama. Myself, Srilata Dongre. I am the Regional Lead Academics for RAN Group. So today we are here for the Road Safety Week rally. So you can see that a lot of people have gathered here so that they can spread the message to the citizens about importance of following the road safety and importance of following the rules. We as a group has always believed in social causes under the guidance of our chairman sir Dr. A.F. Pinto and the managing director Madam Grace Pinto. So this initiative aims towards spreading the message and creates awareness not only among the citizens but our children as well. They look forward to bringing this message to their parents.
What's the essence of the activity? Like why it is important for the students to follow this?
So basically when we speak about developing global citizens, we are speaking about developing those discipline, fostering a culture of awareness, making sure that whatever learning which is happening in the classroom is being taken into the real life situations as well. So these kind of activities actually aim towards bringing those aware citizens, future citizens. That's how we do it with a lot of activities, particularly road safety, given that nowadays too many accidents are happening, and when you are breaking a traffic rule, you are not only risking your own life but lives of the people who are around in that road. So this is a very need for the hour. The whole week we have observed the safety week, and today we are closing it up with a rally.
You said about the holistic development, so can you just give us some insights about it?
Yes. So when we speak about holistic development of the children, we speak about not only developing the cognitive development of the children but also the social skills, the emotional skills of the children. So these activities when we take up, may it be developing the empathy in the children, may it be the thought process that I have to give back to the society, the activities focus on those things. They make the children aware about what is that we are doing and why a certain rule is there in place and why it is important for us to follow those rules and regulations, to be a part of the society which is aware as a whole.
So how the student of Ryan International School stands out from the other schools?
So it's simply because of the basic core values which get installed in the children, and we do not do it in a separate value addition class or nothing like that. We build it in the curriculum itself. So when the curriculum is taught in such a way that the child can have a practical use and they will be able to implement it in their real life scenarios, that is the best thing out there, and that's what makes the children of Ryan very different from other children.
Thanks for speaking to us.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.